Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox Supergirl from the Justice League Unlimited series. This is a San Diego Comic Con exclusive. It is not the regular version. It is a limited run of 2000. Brief description on Supergirl. Made out of PVC. I'll give you a closer look now. I like the pose. Statue measures 17 centimeters wide, 11 centimeters deep, and 23 centimeters high. That's it for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Have a nice day, everyone.